Sometimes there is inequality in bargaining power. You might get one spouse or partner who has the wealth. It might be that all the savings are in their bank account and the other party doesn't have access to any money. So how can they pay their legal costs? Now, there are various options there. To a certain extent, in the cases that I see, the weaker party needs to make some inquiries themselves about what potential loan facilities are available to them. They will need independent financial advice, and that's quite important to look at the risk and benefit in obtaining some type of finance to pursue. There are a number of loan providers out there who will fund a matrimonial case. And I've certainly seen cases where that has been to the client's benefit, because if that was not available, they would not be able to proceed. And effectively, the other party, the stronger party financially, might get away with something, and the weaker party receives a poorer settlement. However, I've also seen cases where that can potentially backfire. My concern is that with some litigation loans, the party receiving that doesn't actually have a handle on how much it's costing. The solicitor still has a duty to provide the client with the best cost information they can give, and the client can still make an informed decision. But if left unattended, people can waste money and they can burn through that loan, and those loans often come with high interest rates. So it's something to watch out for, but it is an option to allow someone to fund the case. In other situations, as part of potentially an interim maintenance case, there is provision for the court to make an order that the stronger party make a contribution to the other party's legal costs. That is a relatively new change in the law, and in some cases it might be what's called a pound for pound order. So if the stronger party spends £1 on legal costs, the weaker party should have £1 for their legal costs, and so it goes on. It's what we call equality of bargaining power, equality of arms.